Hello, my name is Yash. I work as an applications engineer for Transderm Cooling Industries. Here's one of the new projects we've been recently working on. This unit has been built for a portable HPC data center container. It's a Adiabatic V-cooler design, which is split into half from the between. So it's got two sides, one on the left, one on the right. We've also got some pump skid, which is mounted to the cooler. We have the manifolds going around over here. On the pump skid, we have two pumps by Grundfos with Grundfos inverters on them. The pumps are working as in run mode. We've got a pressurization set, expansion vessel, dosing pod. As mentioned, we have put together two half-V coolers together in a single V-frame. This is done because then the customer can have redundancy on the circuit. If they, in case, just wants to use one side of the cooler unit, which is the one coil block with all the fans, 8 fans, then that is possible. Over to this side, we have controls and the electricals engineer testing the unit now. We've got two control panels fixed on a frame. Each panel is controlling each side of the cooler block. The top PLC, in case it fails, the bottom PLC takes over. The top PLC also has a signal converter, which would then make the fans run at fixed speed on one side, and the second PLC will make the fans run on variable speed. This is the Adiabatic wet box. We've got two Adiabatic wet box, both with run and standby pump set system and the UV system. The copper pipe comes over here. The mains water would be connected from over there on the outside, and it comes in. We've got a small wire strainer which moves in, which maybe takes out any pebbles or dust if we have in the mains water. It then goes ahead. There's a filtration system, goes down to the UV lights, where if there's any bacteria or Legionella in the water is killed by the UV lamp. We also have a standby UV system in case one of them fails, so it acts as a redundancy. The UV system will be then connected to the booster pump, which would then boost the water for the appropriate amount of spraying pressure required for the Adiabatic systems to work. The booster pump also has a backup, so in case one of them fails, the second booster pump takes over, and then the water is flown out from there to the copper pipework to the spray bars, which then sprays the water out. As this project is in Northern European region, i.e. Scandinavian region, we have a small heater for the control panel, just to ensure that enough heat is generated in the control panel during the colder months and it doesn't freeze. There's also an energy meter over here, which helps the customer to determine how much power is consumed by the fans. Thank you for listening, and have a nice day.